Have you ever gone to the hairdresser and wonder what they put in the hair growth oil? Well, today is the day that I'm going to spread the secret of how to grow your hair long using this hair growth mixture. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like, share, and subscribe, and just sit back, relax while I spread the secret. First, you're going to get your Blue Magic Conditioner Hair Dress oil, and you're going to use the original with the anti-breakage. Then next up, you're going to add the herbal ear and scalp conditioner from the Blue Magic organ. Next up, you're going to add the Blue Magic coconut oil ear conditioner in the mixture. Okay guys, so this is a must that you had the air fertilizer, one of this in the mixture. Next up, you're going to add the Jamaican black castor oil in the mixture. You're going to add around 4 tablespoons in the mixture, and then you're going to add peppermint oil. You're going to add 2 drips. Like if you have that little squeeze bottle, you just use 2 drips. You don't want to use a lot. Then you're going to mix all of that ingredient together and just leave it for 24 hours, and then voila, you can use it in your hair and grow your hair as long as you would like. Remember, you have to be consistent. Wash your hair every 2 weeks so that your hair health can be good, right? And have a bouncy hair. Bye.